Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this car dual hole spark plug tester. We've got dual hole. You can test two spark plugs at the same time, one old and one new, and just make the comparison. Or you can check two old spark plugs and see if are good for use. We've got the signal indicator, one here, the power, frequency adjustable from 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. It is the maximum you can adjust with this rotated knob. And off. It is convenient and quick. Put the spark plug into the test socket, connect the power supply that it is 12 volt 1 amp, adjust the working frequency and start the test. It is also equipment with a high voltage indicator light. You can easily observe the spark plug test status when you are operating. The principle of this car spark plug tester is to test the performance of the spark plug by simulating the work of the engine, suitable for spark plugs of most 12 volt gasoline cars. And there it is. I've got two of these. Definitely they have seen a better days. I'm using these spark plugs about 4 years, and let's test them. Plug it in, power it on. We've got the LED indicator, and we need to just press and it locks. Same in here, press and it locks. Don't turn it on before installing your spark plugs. Okay, 1000, 2000, and we can see the spark increasing. 3000, 4000, 'Wow. And I think it is in maximum right now. Be careful, don't touch at this area. Where's the spark? Beautiful. We've got this squeezy noise. Okay, and I think they are working very well, and we can see and the LED indicator, 2 green and 1 red. And off. Well guys, that was all about this spark plug tester. A great way to sing, to hear music from spark plugs. Okay, it is a great way to test your spark plugs, if that is new or old, and if it is suitable for your car. If you want to buy it, you can check online, just Google it, and I'm sure you're gonna find out the right online store and just buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.